Hi, my name is John Smith with Prevost Law Firm, and today I'm here with our client, Rajeev. We just wrapped up Rajeev's case, and he's been so gracious enough to spend a few minutes with us talking about it and in hopes of helping other people just like you with your solar system situation. So, Rajeev, tell me, give us a little background about what Victory Solar did to you and the mess they left you in.
All right. How we started it all is like Victory Solar, as any other solar panel company, approached us with some fancy discounts and offers that they asked. And it was pretty impressive in the beginning. When they started with us, they gave us all the promises. They also gave us like, you know what, instead of just going with the solar panel, don't go with the batteries, but buy a generator and we will help you with it. So they charged me extra for that. But then soon enough, we realized as soon as, I mean, initially everything was good. They put the solar panels, they installed it, everything was within few days. We were happy. And then suddenly we started, like, the sales manager who actually approached us stopped taking our calls. The Victory Solar company's phone number, they stopped receiving our calls. Nobody was answering anything. Their website, we tried to actually reach out to them. No response at all. They just completely blocked us. So we didn't get any generator. We didn't, they promised me the warranty. They promised me 1 year of full electricity bill refund. They promised me there was one, of course, the generator, sorry. So everything what they have promised, everything was gone. The major thing was like the warranty, plus my tens and thousands of dollars that have been spent for my generator. So then I had nowhere to go. So so that's what Victory Solar actually did to me, and they left us in the middle without having any solution, any help anywhere. So then we found you, and then rest is history.
Think back to when you found us. What made you decide to hire Prevost Law Firm to help with your solar case?
So first off, when I talked to you in the beginning, I mean, the confidence and then the success stories that you have shared with us so far, I was never getting this confidence in any of the law firm that I have contacted. They were not giving me enough confidence that yes, they're gonna fight for us. So what law firm did to me is like gave me confidence. You know what? Don't worry about it. We feel you. That human behavior, one to one, I feel connected with you guys, and that's how I started. Plus I have another friend of mine also who have been I told them as well, and then they are also with you because they have been scammed like this with Victory Solar also. I feel guilty for them also because I referred them. It's all that, and then you are the only one who have actually made me feel comfortable, and I had some confidence in you that actually, like you feel for us, you're the one who are going to do it for us. And then that made me actually immediately go with you guys.
Well, that's a wonderful compliment. Thank you, Rajeev. I thank you for saying that. All right, so we sued your lender for you, and we got a settlement. The settlement says we can't talk about the lender's name or any details about the settlement. So tell me, how happy, though, are you with the overall result we got you?
Oh man, you can't make me more happier than this by making this settlement done, because the entire thing is off my head now. And then nothing is in there. You guys were like fabulous, in coordinating with me and giving me the status update every time, and then also talking to lender, providing me all the options. And like it took some time, but it was all worth it,
Yeah.
because the way it was going on, I was fully confident from the beginning with you guys, the way we all started this work. So I am very happy, very relaxed now that everything is gone off, and then we are back to normal life, if I may.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And how does it feel? How does normal life feel now that you're saying and everything's over? How's it feel?
It feels great. It feels really great.
That's awesome.
Because, yeah.
So you mentioned the time. So you're one of our, believe it or not, one of our first clients when we started getting into this. And so you've been with us for almost 2 years, and that's a long time.
Yeah.
But tell me, was it worth the wait?
It is absolutely worth the wait. I mean, sometimes I would like to say, like a lot of law firms, like they just leave you in between, and then they don't contact or coordinate or communicate with you. This was never the case here, and that's what I was actually discussing this with my wife also, how professional you guys were. Even though, I mean, I had it on my calendar to get an update for every month, but I had to do that very minimal time because you were communicating with me in every few weeks. That was great. The communication was there. I exactly knew what's happening, what was the lender asking, and giving you the update, how you guys are coordinating with them. I was completely up to date, fully transparent. If there were some kind of red flags, you immediately initiated it, asked me the questions, get it clarified. So it was smooth process. I mean, these things take time. I mean, we understand that it's not easy. The legal processes are not easy, but I would say, like, the end result is worth it, even if it takes a little longer.
That's awesome. Some of these lenders make it a little bit more difficult than others, and they just take the process takes a little bit longer. But I'm so grateful with the result we got you. I know you're happy with it. So
Absolutely.
all right, Rajeev, last question. This has been amazing. Thank you. What would you say to somebody who's been in your position and is thinking about hiring Prevost law firm to help with their solar panel case?
I would say definitely, without even giving a single thought, if you trust me, believe me on this, that this is these guys are amazing, and these guys are going to give you the correct position, correct, and they will get you the justice out of it. It's a hard-earned money that you guys are spending. It should be, every penny that you have spent should be worth it. So just getting a scam out of it, with the solar panels, like, don't worry about it. These guys are here to help you. And I am one of the most happiest person right now that I have hired a Prevost law firm, and I would want you to be as happy as I am. So please
Wow.
use them. No, man, you have no idea how happy I am. I mean, I can't express it more than you're seeing it right now in front of my face, but this was crazy thing that has ever happened. I fell into that scam, and this is something that should have never happened to anybody. And it's not just me, it's about two more of my friends who I referred. So I think I didn't mention that the one of the friends that I was talking about, I've actually helped, and I think that was the first one you closed. So when they got solved, I said, like, it's worth the wait. Let's wait. It's gonna come.
That's awesome, Rajeev. Thank you. I mean, like, best testimonial over here. Thank you. All right, Rajeev. Well, you've been amazing. I really appreciate you giving us a few minutes of your time today. I know it's going to help somebody else out there who's thinking about hiring us in a similar situation.
Absolutely.
So very grateful. And like I said, I'm so excited with the result we got you. And Rajeev, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, my friend.
Thank you so much, and I just wanted to say thank you again for all your hard work that you guys have done for me. I can't be more happier than this, that I got you at my back to help me out. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. We really appreciate you.